just met a lovely lady who's a costumer on movie sets here in Vancouver. She's still got a few more days before she goes back to work because she's on the Christmas, New Year's holiday. Now, this is in the book, so we are taking a quick look. Vancouver doesn't have the top baseball league, but it does have maybe AAA, and they play here at the Nat Bailey Stadium. I don't know if we're going to be able to get much of a view because this is what I see, just a big wall. Yeah, there we go. Now you can get a good view of the stadium. Oh yeah. See all the sponsors. There's the dugout, other dugout. Cool. All right, let's move on. We are having great fun finding the outside of places and having to look over walls and finding the occasional place that's actually open. There we go. Hi.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good, thanks. How about you?
I'm making a video series of 111 places in Vancouver
Yeah.
that you do not want to miss, and your record place is in the book.
Oh, yeah, totally. I know the book. Yeah,
Dave
for sure.
Dorgy and Graham Menzie.
Yeah, for sure.
So, I just want to take a quick.
Yeah, go
It's
for
okay?
it. Yeah, definitely. As long as it's not like for developer use or something, go for it.
No developer use, no monetization.
Yeah, perfect. All good then.
Project, hobby. What's
Love
your
it.
name?
I'm Ben.
Ben, this is my new friend Ben. Is it your store?
Me and my dad run it. Yeah.
You and your dad. When did you start it?
He started January of '81, so we just turned 42 2 days ago.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
You know, do you ever watch Shark Tank?
Oh yeah, for sure.
There was a guy on there not long ago that had something called a block or something, but you
Okay.
put it on vinyl
Yeah.
and it turned it into a record player.
Oh, I totally know what those are. Yeah.
So
yeah,
the
for
record
sure.
stayed right
Yeah.
right where it was on a safe surface.
Yeah.
And this went around and he got bought out actually.
You know, they used to do years ago. You could get little VW buses
Okay.
that did that. Like I can't remember how many years, but
So
you'd have
it's
it so it
happened
looked like
before.
it was driving around the record. So
People still do the record thing?
oh yeah,
I mean, you're vinyl, right?
exactly. You know, we are. I mean, we also sell CDs, but we're primarily vinyl. It's our big seller for sure. You know, like by quite a margin for sure.
Collectors or who are your customers?
You know, it's all over the map. You know, we get people, you know, literally coming in before they're even in high school loading up. You get people in their 80s loading up. It's really all demographics. So
Are
it's
you
really
one of the few left anywhere?
I mean, there's more of us than you'd think, but we've definitely been around longer than anybody else in town. So
It's going good, business?
it's good. Yeah, very busy. I mean, today's kind of like the first relaxing day. It's been so busy through all Christmas and then post Christmas, but I think today's the first, like, everyone's back at school and work today. So
It's called Neptune Records.
you got it.
And if you're into vinyl or you're about to get into it, maybe you want to introduce your kids. When we were growing up, that's what it was. 45s and 33s and 78s. And am I saying the right numbers?
You got it. You're saying the right ones, yeah.
And then it was 8 tracks for about a day.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Cassettes.
Yeah. Well, we have all those formats. So.
Very cool.
Not too many 8 tracks anymore.
Not too many 8 tracks, but look at this beautiful place. It's on Main Street, 3561. Thanks a lot, Ben.
Hey, thanks so much.
I really appreciate
have a
it.
great day.
It's going to be on YouTube. Advisor Danny's the channel.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Take care.
Bye-bye. Nice guy. Ben and his dad started this 1981. And I like nice business owners. And it's a small business, but they're in a niche field. They've got all the types of medium you can imagine for listening to music and more. So you want to come and enjoy your time here with them. 3561, right there beside the bunny. Neptune Records, looking good. Keep up the good work, Ben and your dad. Nice to see a father and son working together. All right, do you remember that building over there? That's where that antique place was at one time when the book was being edited, and then they went out to Delta. We're going to try to get out there yet if we have time, once we finish all the original spots, separating between the wheat and the chaff. And in this case, that is a euphemism and refers to what is as it was in 2019 and what is not anymore for one reason or other. We won't get into all that speculation stuff. But we still got some light. So why don't we go find one more, or 2 maybe, to throw into this video, if possible, so that we can do justice to the hard labors that Dave and Graham sometimes we just need a good bang. Like this morning, for instance, as an example. I get up early, make some coffee. I started by putting the water in the machine, and then I started scooping the coffee into the machine, except the first scoop went right into the water part of the machine. Why do we do those kind of things? We need a good bang. For more than 100 years, the 9 p.m. gun has blasted loud every night at 9 p.m. so that everybody downtown Vancouver and surrounding area could hear it and be reminded it was 9 o'clock. And also, don't put coffee grounds in the wrong part of the machine. All right? 1,500 pounds, firing every night for more than 100 years. 9 p.m. The 9 p.m. gun. It's in the book. 111 places you do not want to miss in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. All right? Let's go find one more. We don't have many more. We're coming quickly towards the end of this wonderful book. I was also reminded walking over here that one of the things I remind myself and get triggered by other people is the fact that all of us, no matter what we're going through, no matter what's thrown at us, do the very best we can with what we have, wherever we are, at any time. And beyond that, can't ask for anything more. So you can do it. You can do the very best with what you have, whatever the situation is, and that'll bring you a measure of purpose and fulfillment in your life, right?